Welcome to Hero Handmade YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I stiffen my crochet earrings. There are many different ways to do this, but one of the simplest yarn stiffeners you can do is my favorite method of doing it. Today I'm gonna share you how I do it. So let's get started. First of all, we will look into the things required to do this. We need binder glue. Use a non-toxic white school glue or any other PVA based glue for this. And we will need some water. And we will also need a plastic cup like this to mix the binder glue, and we will also need a brush to apply the glue on the earrings. I don't want my table to get dirty, so I'm gonna use this laminate paper. So you can buy this kind of laminated papers from a stationery shop. First of all, put some binder glue into the plastic cup. And then add some water. I normally have 1 part of glue and 2 parts of water approximately. So you can just pour some water and mix it. I prefer to spray water like this. And then we can use our brush to mix it well. I'm gonna add some more water. And then mix it again. Now our mixture is ready, and we are gonna apply that on the earrings. Now using the brush, you can apply the mixture on the earrings very well. You can even dip it into the mixture. Make sure to apply the glue all over the earrings so that it will get very hard. And then you can turn it over and apply the glue on the other side as well. And then we can just leave it to get dry. It will normally take 24 hours to get dry completely. You can just keep it in the way you want, and then it will get dry as it is. That's it. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any questions regarding doing this, you can comment on the comment section below. I will definitely reply for them. Please subscribe to my channel to watch many video tutorials of crochet earrings just like this. I have even shared many more crochet projects there. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share that with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.